Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to learn about the segmentation with the paging. See, both paging and segmentation have their own advantages here. So we are going to combine the both advantages of the segmentation here. Segmentation and paging. So the paging supports the time sharing system and it doesn't affect from the fragmentation. It supports virtual memory and sharing of common code is possible in the case of the paging. But in the case of the segmentation, so it eliminates fragmentation, but so there is a drawback called external fragmentation here. And the segmentation supports the virtual memory. It allows the dynamic memory allocation of the main memory to the segments, and it facilitates the shared segments. So dynamic linking and loading of the segments is done in the segmentation. So here we are going to combine both the segmentation with the advantages of the segmentation and paging. Okay, so the combined scheme was the page the segments. So here, so each segment, so here we are taking the segment S. So segment is divided into multiple number of pages. See how we divide the process into pages. Similarly, we are going to divide each segment in this scheme to the pages, and each segment maintain a page table. Okay, so we know that suppose I'm taking a program, so then a program consists of the main program, subroutines, and stack. Okay, some functions. So here a program consists of these multiple number of segments here, right? So we are going to take a segment and divide each segment into multiple number of pages. Okay, so each segment in this scheme is divided into pages, and each segment maintains a page table for each and every segment. So the logical address is divided into three parts, that is segment number, page number, and displacement. So this is the how the logical address is divided. Okay, so logical address space is divided into different segments. So each segment maintains a page table, and the mapping is done between the page and frame through the page table. Okay, so this is about the segmentation with the paging. So we are going to know about the segmentation with the paging clearly in the next diagram. Okay, okay. So here we are going to see how the address translation is done in the segmentation with paging. So logical address is generated here. Okay, so the logical address is generated with the selector and offset. Okay, so selector is further divided into two parts, that is a segment number G and P. So G means so whether the given data is global data or local data. That means whether the given data is shareable or private, and P denotes the protection bit. Okay, so whether the given bit is valid or not. Okay, so here selector and offset is the logical address generated here. Okay, so the segment number in the selector is used as an index to the descriptor table. So the base address in the descriptor table is, so here the base address is combined with the offset address to give the linear address for the with linear address with the combination of the directory, page, and offset. Okay, so here the directory number is used as an index for the to the page table entry. Okay, so the directory will act as an index to the page table entry, since we are using the two level paging here. That means, so this is a page table, and the page table is very large here. That's why we are going to divide the page table into multiple number of pages. Okay, and we are paging the page table itself to the page directory. Okay, so that's why page directory will act as an index for the page table entry. Okay, so the directory number is used as an index to the page directory. The page directory is used to identify the page table here. The page number in the linear address is used as an index to the page table. So the page table entry is used to identify the physical frame. So the offset in the linear address is used as an index to the physical frame to get the particular um, memory location in the physical memory. Okay, so here, so we are going to use the offset to point to the particular address instruction in the physical memory. Okay, so do you understand the concept here? So here the selector will act as an index for the segment directory, and we are going to uh, add the base address of the segment directory with the offset to get the linear address, that is the directory page and offset. Okay, so here the page directory will act as an index to the page table, and page table, in the page table the page will act as an index to the page table. So here we are using the two level paging. That means we are going to since size is greater than the physical memory frame, so we are going to divide the segments, and we are going to, okay, we are going to we are going to page the page table itself. That means we are going to again page, after dividing the page table into multiple parts, so we are again going to page itself into the page directory. So it is just like two level paging in the paging. Okay, so that's why here the directory will act as the index for the page directory, and the page number will act as the index for the page table, and the offset is used to search the particular instruction in the physical memory. So with the combination of the page directory and page number and offset, we are going to get a particular instruction in the main memory. Okay, so this is how the segmentation with paging will work. Okay, and thanks for watching my video. Thank you.